You insert a brand new game disc into your console. The drive starts spinning, the game appears on screen, and then, instead of a play button, you see this: installing 87 gigabytes. So what exactly did you buy the disc for? Here is the strange truth. On a modern PlayStation or Xbox, the game usually isn't running from that disc at all. The disc is carrying the game, but your console needs to move that game somewhere much faster before it can properly use it. Both PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series 10 install disc-based games onto their internal storage before they are played. And the reason is hidden inside the way modern games are built. A game disc is read by a laser. The disc spins, while the laser physically moves across one long spiral track to find different pieces of information. That works perfectly well for a movie, where most of the data is read in order from beginning to end, but a game does not work like a movie. In a single second, it may need a character model from one location, a sound effect from another, several textures from somewhere else, and an entire section of the map immediately after that. The console is constantly jumping between thousands of tiny files. An optical disc can perform those jumps, but not nearly quickly enough for the worlds, textures, and loading systems used by modern games. An SSD has no spinning disk and no moving laser. It can retrieve data from different locations almost instantly. The PlayStation 5's internal SSD is rated at 5.5 gigabytes per second of raw read bandwidth, while the Xbox Series 10 SSD delivers 2.4 gigabytes per second before hardware decompression. Both systems were designed around pulling game data from high-speed storage. Without that speed, entering a new area could mean a long loading screen. Rapidly turning around might reveal missing textures. Driving across an open world could force the game to pause while the disc searches for the next section. So, during installation, the console copies the necessary game data from the disc onto its SSD or hard drive. It may also verify the files, unpack compressed data, and combine the disc version with updates downloaded from the internet. A PS5 game disc can hold up to 100 gigabytes, but games can receive enormous patches, additional content, and technical changes after the disc has already been manufactured. On Xbox, Smart Delivery can even install the version designed specifically for the console you are using. That means some of the data being installed may come from the internet rather than the physical disc. This also explains why some games let you start playing before the installation reaches 100%. The console copies the opening level and essential files first, while the rest of the game continues installing in the background. PlayStation officially notes that certain games allow a playable portion to be started before all content has finished copying. But there is still one confusing detail. If the entire game has been copied onto the SSD, why must you keep inserting the disc? Because after installation, the disc gains a second job. It becomes your physical license. When you launch the game, the console checks the disc to confirm that you still own that copy. Without this check, someone could install one disc onto multiple consoles, return or sell it, and allow everyone to keep playing. That is why removing the game disc does not free you from needing it. Both PlayStation and Xbox require the disc to remain available when playing disc-owned games, even when the game data itself has already been installed. So the disc is not useless, it is simply no longer the place from which the game operates. Think of it as two things combined: a delivery truck that brings the game to your console, and a key that proves you are allowed to open it. The SSD is where the game actually lives while you play. The disc delivers it, the disc unlocks it, but the console's storage does the real work. If you enjoy these explanations of the hidden technology inside everyday devices, make sure you subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more. And as always, stay curious.